At News 9, we've managed to enter the N1 Cricketing Academy in Bengaluru, and of course, the enthusiasm is high as Virat Kohli has retired from Test cricket. There's disappointment, yet a lot of love and gratitude that a whole bunch of these students have here for Kohli. Before we get to their reactions on his retirement, let me get some action. Kohli! 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 Who's the biggest fan of Kohli? Come on. One of them. Okay, let me ask the girl. What about Kohli you love?
His batting.
I mean, that he's batting, of course. Okay, apart from that. What? That's it. Anything else about Kohli?
Ma'am, I like his cover drive.
So we are so sad he's retired from Test match.
Oh, you are so sad. Why? Why are you so sad?
Anyone is there to play other?
Nobody is there as good as Kohli.
Yes.
Is he the best?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Come on, there are so many other players, but why is Kohli so special?
His batting style is so good. It's like different.
Really? You want to be a cricketer?
Yeah.
You're training, huh?
Yeah.
No girl. There's no woman cricketer who you idolize.
Smriti Mandhana.
Smriti, yes, absolutely. Okay, this boy here has made a nice poster here for Kohli. You have there. We just literally told them overnight that we're going to be coming by at the cricketing academy here, and this is literally their effort overnight. They've actually drawn up these posters, charts, collage, putting out all their appreciation and love for King Kohli. What is this? Who made this? Who made this? Come on. Okay, tell me about yours first. You've written a long note about Kohli.
Yeah.
What about him do you like?
I like his celebrations and his achievements in his career.
Biggest one thing that you really take inspiration from?
He never really.
No? Never give up?
Yeah.
Never give up? Okay. Tell me, give me a little more about who's done this. Yeah. Show me yours. Show me yours. Is that a poster that you printed out?
Yes.
Tell me, what do you like about Kohli?
He always wins India.
Oh, really? He always wins India. Okay, now let me ask some hard questions. Kohli at one point was also not in his best form, but still he had the biggest fan following. Why?
He has been genius in cricket world. He always stood for efficiency and consistency in the batting.
Right.
And he is always jovial. Many cricketers have given after his retirement. They are missing him very lot. And he needs to. He has influenced many youngsters like this in cricket world. So he always.
He's influenced many youngsters, but I'm going to come back to more of that. Some kids here who are really inspired by Kohli to a point that they want to be like him. Why would you say Kohli was one of the best we had?
See, first of all, I am very, very disappointed that he has retired from T20, and also especially Test was very personal for us. That he was one of the best Indian captains for Test. He took our country to top position in Test, and the thing that makes him the best is many batsmen have the same technique or something, but the mindset he has, the hard work he does, everyone needs a very strong mindset.
Correct.
To play so consistently.
Absolutely.
Score match after match.
Yeah.
And hit so many centuries continuously, even though he had a low for around 3 years. His consistency was greater than many of the players.
Right.
Yeah, so that is, and
The 3-year low was not something that you would hold against him.
yeah, he did not score a century, but his half centuries did not count as a high. So he set his par so high
Oh, he himself set his bar so high that he
that
wasn't able to-
his 50s were counted as out of form. So it's very disappointing that he scored 9,230 runs and did not score 10,000 runs. I hope he wins the World Cup for us, next World Cup for us,
Okay.
India.
Now his test form, that takes a lot of endurance. You really need to be in form for many hours. Kohli's always lived up to his test.
The fitness culture he has brought into the Indian team, that has made a huge difference. Even running threes in test. Yeah,
Fours. He also runs fours, three. Even just in IPL, I saw he has run 3 fours at the age of 36. That's incredible in this era.
Amazing. interesting. You know, Kohli is also not just known for his cricket. Look what he has done for himself as a brand. Brand Kohli. Do you believe that other cricketers have really managed to do that? Kohli is known for his fashion, for his fitness, for his style. He has this whole aura, a whole package deal.
Yeah, so there are many great cricketers. It's not like he's the only great cricketer, but they become the greatest because they are perfectionists.
Right.
He is called the Cristiano Ronaldo of cricket.
Yeah.
That makes him the perfectionist of cricket.
Correct.
And
Yeah.
taking continuously 3 awards in a single year is very incredible in his era.
Wow. Okay. So what about him apart from cricket you like?
Work ethics, my mindset, work ethics, mainly is work ethics because I heard some interview, is maybe a vegan around some 2 to 3 years. It's very incredible to eat the same food around years.
What? It doesn't mean if you're vegan you eat the same food every time. You have variety in vegan also.
He eats the same food, same boiled
Really?
food. Yeah, same boiled food, same boiled vegetables. No
Yeah.
masala, nothing.
He eats that only.
Yeah.
Is that what you eat too?
No, I don't eat that.
You want to be Kohli?
Yeah, mainly.
Yeah. Mainly. Okay. Tell me why do you like Kohli? Look at that. Is that what you drew?
Yeah, yeah.
How sweet.
I like Kohli because he have very good determination in cricket and he's very his aggressive gameplay brings another charm to the game.
Uh-huh.
It will be so interesting if he plays the game, but it's very sad that he retired from Test and T20 this year.
Really?
Yeah, because he has 770 runs short of 10,000 runs club, which it's a very sad moment for us.
Oh damn. So he could have finished that before
Yeah,
retiring,
yeah.
you say.
He could still play for 2 to 3 years.
Oh really?
Yeah, he have good fitness level and he have maintained it consistently. But 3 years, the 3 years downfall which he had, it's not counted because he have been consistent in other years.
Absolutely. Oh, come here, Vedant. Come here. Apparently, this is on popular vote. Team members say this one is Mini Kohli. Yeah, Vedant. You like Kohli? What do you like about him? He's batting.
Batting, fielding.
And you're also like that? Yeah. So cute. Okay, Mini Kohli is here. Who is one more person? Hitesh. Hitesh, come here. Come here. You're also Mini Kohli, yeah? What do you like about Kohli, Hitesh?
It's the work ethic, his behavior, his discipline off the field and on the field
Yeah.
is perfect. Is the perfect walking example for the word perfect.
Really?
Yeah, for the word leadership, is a true captain.
How sweet.
Yeah.
So perfect example, walking example for perfection. You know, a lot of people criticize Kohli that he's too aggressive, too arrogant. What would you say to that?
That's what makes him what he is today. I guess that aggression is what brings out the best in him.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Aggression is what brings out the best in him. This is possibly the best philosophy of life that I've heard. Because a lot of times, come on in front. A lot of times I feel aggression can ruin the game, but according to a bunch of the players here, aggression is good to bring your best. That's maybe one moral that you would live by. Would you take that suggestion well? Aggression is good sometimes.
Yes.
Yeah. Are you saying that Kohli has a lot of female fans,
Yes, very much.
which
And
is why boys want to come into cricket?
not really, but the parents have started to look at the way their child is going to be. They want someone like Kohli in their children, and the girls are coming friends. So that is really good.
Yeah.
And he is not giving up at any point of time. So he's always made sure that he wants as a team, has a team go for it and win. And we have seen instances on the ground where, be it whatever, he always makes the crowd to come along with him,
Correct.
play along with
No,
him.
but that's
So
what his style was very different. He kind of redefined what the team looked like and what Indian team was perceived like after Kohli, right? After Kohli, I think the Team India seemed more aggressive, right, in the front foot. A lot of times Team India didn't perform, but our morale was very high. I think Kohli created that aura around us.
exactly. The days when Sachin used to play, right? So everyone is out, Sachin was there.
Yeah.
But after Sachin, Dhoni was there, but Dhoni used to come in the late order, down the order. The one who could replace, come closer to Sachin was Kohli, and I think Kohli has made his name and fame. And one thing that we would like to say him is he should try to groom youngsters as much as possible, and he should build as many Kohlis as possible for this Indian cricket.
Right.
That's one.
Right. You know, one thing that Kohli spoke about often was about taking care of your mental health and discipline. Do you think that's important?
Yes, it's so important because we should always be fit.
Yeah, mentally and physically.
Yes, sir.
Now, all of y'all are physically fit, I can see clearly. But what do you do about mental fitness?
We should meditate and
Yeah. Do you meditate?
quite.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Sometimes. Who meditates here? Anybody who meditates? You meditate? Oh, nice. What time do you do it?
Morning 5:30 to 6:30.
How nice. What do you do to meditate?
I'll put yoga mat and I'll do for 10 minutes.
Oh, that's very nice, yeah. I mean, you know, these kids are giving me such a complex because I hardly find the time to meditate myself. We're so busy that we get to work, get back, crash, wake up, busy. It's a hustle culture that really consumes us. But I think a whole bunch of kids here who are practicing cricket, who idolize Kohli, have really imbibed his values, and that's what makes them ace budding players in Bengaluru. Another round of cheer for Kohli. Kohli! 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 Hey, Kohli got married to Anushka Sharma. Who else has aspirations here to get married to a film star? Anyone? Huh? Come here.
It's okay.
But is it glamorous? See, Kohli made it glamorous. Before Kohli, it was, I mean, cricket was like, yeah, all right, nice, cricketers are cool people. But Kohli made this, you know, so aspirational for many people, isn't it? Yeah? He made it glamorous?
It's not like he made it glamorous, but he surely brought a great culture into Indian team. So that's what makes him stand out.
Okay, so rest of it you don't care. A lot of people would criticize, oh, why is he bringing Anushka to the stadium? Why she's distracting him? Those things, you know, Kohli was very prompt in shutting them down.
Whatever it was, he never lost focus on his game.
Right.
Anything happens out of the ground, he never brought it into the ground.
Yeah.
So the focus was on the game.
Yeah.
He was never distracted.
Okay.
So
Come here, mini Kohli. What is it? What about all the other things that Kohli was spoken about? His love life, Anushka Sharma, all over people say, oh, he's getting distracted. But Kohli responded to them.
Yeah, I don't think so. He was getting distracted. I think she brought the best out of him. She brought him to that right state of mind, so that
Encouraged him in the right way.
Yeah, so that
Are you looking for a Anushka yourself? Yeah? So cute. I love this. All right, kiddos, come on. Why you like Kohli the most?
Because his batting style, and when he became out, I feel that RCB is losing.
So when Kohli becomes out, you feel RCB is losing?
Yes.
It's gone.
Yeah.
Until Kohli, but RCB is not Vandu Sali Bandila Kappu.
No. From Pakistan, IPL stopped, but he sala cup namde.
Oh, wow. Because of Pakistan, IPL stopped, but start ಆದರೆ ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ ನಮ್ದೆ ಹೌದಾ
ಪಕ್ಕ
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಈ ಸಲ Just amazing how Kohli's retirement turned into IPL cheer for RCB. But one should know that RCB has never won an IPL cup, but it's the most popular team in the country, IPL team, and all because of Kohli. I mean, that's the beauty of Kohli, right? RCB has never won a game, but because Kohli is in RCB,
have most fan following.
Exactly. Why does it have most fan following? Because of Kohli. Exactly. That's the beauty of Kohli, right? He's not managed to get a cup for RCB, but it's still the most sought after and the most followed team, IPL team in the country. All right, so this is it. No more Kohli in Test match. Final goodbye to him. What do you want to say?
Get the next World Cup.
We want to tell him that bring the cup for RCB this year.
I want him to come back from retirement.
27 World Cup is very important for us, as Rohit Sharma and Kohli both are maybe the last World Cup for us.
We love you, Virat Kohli.
Whoever ever love Virat Kohli or not love Virat Kohli, but almost like Virat Kohli in this ground.
Okay, whoever like Virat Kohli or not Virat Kohli, but almost like Virat Kohli in this crowd. I don't know what that meant, but I just know the emotion. It's so raw, it's so original, it's the most adorable. Thank you very much, all of you. I really appreciate you taking your time off your practice session and speaking to News 9.